So before I worked as a neuroscientist, although I really enjoyed the science side of things and looking at brains, the health side of things, I think I was just ready for something a little bit different. For me, data was a very specific scientific thing, so you could sort of be a scientist outside of research, which was quite exciting. I did the data science part-time batch. You go from Python basics, maths basics, all the way up to deep learning and convolutional neural networks. So pretty much everything in between. So afterwards, I was hoping to find work in data science, and I felt really supported. A lot of help in terms of really tighten up the CV and everything. Via the Wagon, the job that I ended up going with was with David Jones, one of the big department stores in Australia. Yeah, they've given me some really interesting projects. Been able to use data to better understand customer behaviour. The skills that I'd learnt in the bootcamp were really helpful there.